Court of Manipur Sinduna High Court of Manipur Distinguished Lecture Series 2026 PANGTHOKKHRE High Court ke Auditorium Hall the PANGTHOKKIBA Thoramaduda Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma Judge High Court of Manipur Lenin Singh Hijam Advocate General Manipur and Kumarjit Singh President High Court Bar Association of Manipur K.H. Samarjit Singh Deputy Solicitor General of India High Court of Manipur Justice A. Bimol Singh Judge High Court of Manipur Justice Golmai Gaifusilu former judge and director MGA S. Brajabihari Singh Chairman Bar Council of Manipur Amadi CH Bimol Chandra Singh President All Manipur Bar Association na Chingmana Saruk Yakhi.
Which have been fractured. Unfortunately today what is happening? Because of these problems, judges are confined in their respective areas. The Meiteis can't go to the hills. The tribals can't come down to the valley. The lawyers practicing in valley cannot go to the hills. The lawyers practicing in the hills can't come to the valley. Is this the one we had envisioned when we established the High Court? When we established the High Court, the idea was to reach out to each and every citizen of this state, howsoever far away they were living, so that we could reach a nook and corner of the state. Underdeveloped villages, both in the valley and the hills, and the students, the law students who would pass out have the potential of becoming good lawyers, would have their career made in this state, in this high court, district courts which have been established. Today in the hills also we have district courts. Almost all the district courts have been established. It took time. I remember in various districts, the highest courts were the magistrate CGM court, or at best a magistrate court.